Welcome to the first lesson of our course, Leveraging AI for Small Business Success. In this lesson, we're going to explore the basics of artificial intelligence, what it is, how it works, and why it matters to your business. Whether you're new to AI or just need a refresher, this is the perfect place to start. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? At its core, AI refers to machines or systems that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks. These tasks could be anything from recognizing faces, answering questions, making recommendations, to even predicting the weather. AI enables machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks with increasing accuracy over time. Think about those helpful virtual assistants on your phone or the recommendations you get on Netflix or Amazon. Those are powered by AI. Now, there are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. First, there's narrow AI. This is the most common type of AI we interact with today. It's designed to perform a specific task, like recognizing speech, sorting your emails, or recommending a product based on your shopping history. But then there's general AI. This is the stuff of science fiction, AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. We're not there yet, but researchers are working towards this vision of AI. To understand AI better, it helps to know a bit about where it came from. The concept of AI goes back to the 1950s, when computer scientists first began exploring how machines could learn and make decisions. Over the decades, we've seen rapid advancements, especially with machine learning, the technology that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Today, we're in the era of advanced machine learning and deep learning, which allow AI systems to analyze vast amounts of data and make more accurate predictions. This has transformed industries from healthcare to finance to, yes, small businesses. But you might be wondering, what does AI actually do for businesses, especially small ones like yours? Well, AI can help in many ways. AI can automate repetitive tasks, like answering customer inquiries using chatbots, managing inventory levels, or personalizing marketing campaigns based on customer data. This saves you time and allows you to focus on growing your business. So, to recap, AI is a technology that allows machines to mimic human intelligence, and it's evolving rapidly. While general AI is still on the horizon, narrow AI, designed to perform specific tasks, is already transforming how businesses operate. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the specific benefits AI can bring to your business. Whether it's improving customer experiences, streamlining operations, or making data-driven decisions. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and let's continue exploring how AI can help your small business thrive.